On the south end of Rundown Acres, under the canopy of the ancient black walnut tree, is an enchanted aviary. A place where geese, chickens, and ducks can play, and their eggs are always safe.
Shit! A tree branch fell on it. Actually, the whole south side of the property was trashed by the Pineapple Express that rolled through here a few months ago. There's a fence to the right of this particular shot, but it's buried under fallen trees. It was time for us to get the truck, get in here, and at least get to work getting this branch off of the chicken coop.
Hey, you're all wet. Guess you're getting a bathie.
Well, I've never bathed Pumpkin, so it'd be interesting to do. Yeah, he's all wet. Looks like we're washing dogs.
This is a bow saw. There are so many reasons this simple one or two-handed saw is superior to a chainsaw. When you have a mess like this, you're going to need to saw at crazy angles. That can get really dangerous with a chainsaw. It's hard to hurt yourself with a bow saw, although I've done it. Even a small chainsaw is heavy. It's noisy. There's toxic smoke everywhere, and it seems like they're always down, needing oil, fuel, or chain tightening. If a chainsaw blade hits the dirt, it's instantly dull. You can throw a bow saw on the ground without too much concern. Or your wife could grab it for you.
You leave those birdies alone. Birdies are our birdies. Be nice. Right?
Hand tools are generally safer, but then things don't always go right.
I got that.
I mean, if you don't have to have something done today, or on some schedule, and you can continue to work on it over several days, why not use hand tools? You get more exercise, it tones up your arms, and it really keeps your brain busy because you have to think of where to cut. Or, in this case, where something's gonna fall.
Wet Pumpkin. You don't want to harass those chickens. Leave those chickens alone.
Whatever tools you use, turning collapsed branches into firewood can be dangerous. This teetering branch was at least 200 pounds.
That whole thing is attached. That's what we're worried about right there. That spiky end is attached to what we're trying to get down. He's got his come along.
Toe strap.
Toe strap. Whatever.
Fortunately, we've got more than 2 decades of experience in dealing with things like this. I was totally confident that we could get this down safely and no one would get hurt.
Quiet. All the way up there. See that? Right there. Look at colors.
Oh, I see.
Right on. Yep.
Real knowledge saves lives.